Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to set up Claude in Excel. First, open Excel on your computer, then click on Add-ins from the top right side of the screen. Now click on More Add-ins here, click on Store to open the Microsoft Add-ins Store. Once the store opens, you can browse and search for add-ins available for Excel. Now go back to the Add-ins section and search for Claude. When you find the Claude add-in, click on Add to install it in Excel. Wait a few moments while Excel downloads and installs the add-in. Once the add-in has been added, click on the three dots next to the Claude add-in, then click on Login. Now click on Connect. At this point, Excel may open your default web browser to complete the connection process. In the browser, sign in to your Claude account if you're not already signed in, then follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection between Claude and Excel. After that, return to Excel. The Claude add-in should now be connected and ready to use. You can open the Claude panel from the add-in section whenever you need it. From here, you can use Claude to help analyze data, generate formulas, summarize information, organize spreadsheets, and assist with other Excel-related tasks. If the add-in doesn't appear immediately, try restarting Excel and opening the workbook again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.